Hello, everybody, and welcome to an episode of Matchbox Resurrection. And today we got a Matchbox number 34, a Volkswagen camper. Really like them things. I wish I was a hippie. And there's a pole in there, post, whatever, that is broken. I suppose I'll have to repair that as well. But yeah, pretty much it's not in a bad shape. I don't think there's much to do. I'll do a custom paint because being silver is a bit boring. It looks like the casting. There's not much to it. There you go. Made in England by Lesney, number 34. And now I'm gonna drill the rivets. You don't have to use the biggest drill in the world, but I don't know what the other one is. I think my mate's got it. He's got half of my house in his house. But yeah, very easy. I can't remember now the diameter or anything from the drill bit, but you'll find it. And now just to snap it right off. That's the seats. That's the base. The wheels are in really good condition, so they need a bit of cleaning, a bit of TLC. And I think I'm gonna do some custom seats for the cabin, as he hasn't got any. And now is when I'm cracking the screen. There you go. And that's the screen gone. It's only a tiny crack anyway. Just a bit of patience sometimes. Something that I don't have. See, you can't even see the crack. Well, I can. The doors are really good. They close, they click. So I'm not even gonna take them off. Yeah, I know exactly what you're thinking, but unfortunately, she left this morning and she took the toothbrush with her. So for the time being, I'm stuck with this one. I hope she comes back sometime. Or no? The paint stripper that I'm using is just a cheap one that I bought in Wilco's, and it actually does the trick. Takes a couple of hours maybe, but gives me time to have a siesta anyway. I love to hear your comments, your thoughts about my videos, or about the mess that I usually make and my accidents, and yeah, your ideas. I've got a few ideas that I'm gonna be doing. Some of them are even good. Well, maybe not that good, but they're ideas anyway. And I'm gonna do the base as well. I'm not gonna take the wheels off. As long as the paint stripper don't touch them, they'll be fine. It's just they're in good condition. I can't see the point in taking them to put them back again in this case. So there you go. Right, so now it's been a couple of hours. I've had a really nice siesta. As you can see, my wife's still not back. So I'm just scraping all the paint. It comes off really easy. Just needs a bit of brushing later on with a wear wool or something like that. And it'll be fine. Also try to wear gloves if you can. Because these things, burn your hand. And yes, I burn mine, of course. So I do it lots of times. I don't put the gloves on because I don't realize. But it won't burn that much anyway. Just to go another hand. Time for a bit of painting now. I've added a couple of seats to the front. I've no idea what I've done with the video. I'll find it at some point, I don't know. I took it from another car anyway. I think it was a Corgi. And now I'm just gonna give it like a sort of white greyish tone to everything, so everything looks the same or similar. Time for painting now. I already put some primer. There's no footage because I need to do it in the cellar or outside because it stinks. So I really don't have much time because I don't want any dust to go on it. So I put about 3 coats. I'll leave it to dry, and then now I'm gonna paint it red. Be white top, red body. There you go. And a big splash of paint. I can't remember right now, but I think I put about 3 coats, 2 thin ones, and then like a wet one. And then I really did not like the color because it was bright. It was like a luminous orange, reddish. So I had to give it an extra coat or something darker. It did work eventually. I put some masking tape and I'm gonna do the top now and see how it works. I'm probably gonna peel all the paint off once I take the masking tape, but It's just another of my accidents anyway, so let's just laugh about it. By the way, it's no white, it's just an off-white. I think it just looks better. They give it a bit of age or something, I don't know. And that thing that I've got there on the right hand side is just a piece of wood with some magnets. I usually paint maybe a couple at a time, so in between coats I just leave them there, to dry. They're safe, they don't get scratch or dust on them. Well, that's it, that's the final product. I'm quite happy with the red now. It was horrible before. And I just painted the headlights, not much detail really. Door handles, bumpers, whatever. So, time for putting it together. The seats going in, and of course they don't fit very well because I didn't take in consideration the thickness of the window. So now I need to bend it a bit further, but a bit of persuasion and it clicks. I haven't drilled the posts. I don't have a drill press, so I'm not planning on buying one for the time being. And probably I'm not ever gonna open the cars again. And if I open, I just open them. So I just put a bit of super glue on the old baking powder. It is the trick. It gets hard like a resin, something like that. And it is the trick, and then if you want to open it again, you only have to snap it open. So until I get a drill, I press, oh fuck's sake. And there you go, everything done now. Really like the van. Always like them campers. Happy with the color. Sorry about me videoing, cause I'm really bad at it, really bad at photography. So it'll be out of focus all the time. If you're wondering what's that piece of wood, I use it to put my chisels when I'm doing things on leather. And there you go. I'll leave you with a few pictures. The background is Wales, beautiful Wales. So don't forget to subscribe. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy and having fun. I certainly did. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. I love to hear all your comments. So until next week, see you later.